Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to learn Unit 5, that is Green Skills. In that, Session 2, which is about describe the importance of green economy and green skills. Here is an introduction. The United Nations Environment Programme UNEP defines a green economy as an economy that works towards reducing environmental risks and ecological scarcities and aims at sustainable development without degrading the environment. Simply, we can say that a green economy can be thought of as one which is low carbon growth, resource efficient, and socially inclusive. This is called sustainable development. Green economy. Green economy is an economy that aims at reducing environmental risks and ecological scarcities. It aims for sustainable development without degrading the environment, and it can be seen as the means to achieve better quality of life on this planet by balancing environmental, economic, and social elements. Some important global events focusing on green economy includes 1972 Stockholm Conference, 1992 Earth Summit and Agenda 21, 1987 Brundtland Report, and 2012 Rio Plus 20 Conference. The green economy was the central theme of the United Nations Conference on Sustainable Development Rio Plus 20, held on Rio in June 2012. Based on the conference, here are 10 interrelated principles that covers key dimensions of green economy for a green planet. Those are green buildings, sustainable agriculture, fisheries, renewable energy or green energy, green forestry, green tourism, clean transportation, waste management, water management, and industry and manufacturing. Now let's see some benefits of green economy. There are three major benefits of green economy: environmental benefits, economic benefits, social benefits. Green economy benefits environment in many ways. Sustainable management of natural assets and resources, reduction in fossil fuel dependency, reduced greenhouse gases and other emissions, reduction in air and water emissions. Economic benefits. The clean energy sector is the means of economic benefits. It has the potential to deliver on both environmental and economic objectives of the green economy. Increased economic growth and employment, improved training and skills, development of new market and specializations, improved energy security, improved competitiveness and trade balances. Social benefits: reduced poverty and reduced social inequality, increased employment, improved training and skills, better public services, reduction of environment induced health problems and risks. Importance of green economy. Green economy is very important for us. Let's learn about its main benefits. A green economy has the potential to lead the economic growth. This will lead to creations of new markets in areas such as biofuels and renewable energy sources. By adopting green economy, emerging economies will be able to open a new market segments for production and export of green products and services. Investing in green economy will lead to creation of new employment, benefits in population and environmental health, improvement of energy security. Then what is sustainable development? Sustainable development is development that meets the needs of the present without compromising the ability of the future generations to meet their own needs. Sustainable development includes the following: reducing excessive use of resources and enhancing resource conservation, recycling and reuse of waste material, planting more trees, use more environment friendly material, use of technologies which are environmental friendly and based on efficient use of resources. As the concept developed, it has shifted to focus more on economic development, social development, and environmental protection for future generations. Green skills. Green skills means the skills for green economy. This includes technical skills, knowledge, value, and attitude needed in the workforce to develop and support sustainable social, economic, and environmental outcomes in businesses, industry, and community. The aims of the Green Skills Development Programs are to train green skilled workers with technical knowledge and commitment to conserve and preserve the environment, to generate new jobs for green skilled workers who will help to protect ecosystem and biodiversity, reduce energy consumption and minimize waste and pollution. Now let's see some fields covered under green skills development. Those are waste management, forest management, wildlife management, conservation of river dolphins, pollution monitoring, and so on. Green jobs. A green job is employment in any industry that contributes in preserving environmental quality in that sector and allowing for sustainable development. A green job helps to protect ecosystem and biodiversity and reduces energy, materials and water consumption through sustainable development strategies. Green jobs are found in nearly every industries. Renewable energy, constructions, oil and gas, healthcare, hospitality and government regulation. We need to take immediate actions to protect our planet for our continual existence. We need to bring awareness to the people to adapt to an eco-friendly lifestyle. Thank you.